perfect, we'll take it.
Groom good.
Groom good.
He told me to get fired.
Why?
I don't know. I'm kind of freaking out. He said to do it, and the next thing I knew, I was just yelling.
And your mother, all of your mothers, and your grandmothers, and your grandmother's little dogs.
You done?
No, I'm not done.
Oh, you're done.
You can't handle the meat.
Oh my God.
Yes. Thank you, Dr. Penis Off. And then I went to open the trunk, so I switched to my right hand. Oh, but then I had to sneeze, and I thought, I don't want to sneeze on these keys. Dr. Seuss, not really, but should be. Do not sneeze on my keys. Do not wheeze on my keys. Do not sneeze on your knees on my keys, if you please.
Jake. So we're going to the restaurant. What's my cover? Me and the mob? Ooh, I've got the perfect thing.
The sun hat?
Mafia.
No.
Dude, your head is so small. Like no, it is so small. Where do you keep your brains?
So weird that Amy dated that guy.
Why do you care so much?
Okay, first of all, your insinuating voice is way too high. It's creepy. And second, I don't care. I'm just curious why she would like him.
Whatever you say. Oh, yeah, no, I hear it now. Yep, I sound like Meryl Streep in Mamma Mia.
It's going terribly.
New plan. I'm gonna charm her.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry I had to take that.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Captain Raymond Holt. What's up? This isn't working out as well as I'd hoped. Time for the next level. Forced laughing.
You're right, that name is needlessly political, but the business idea is solid.
No, I'm not talking about that. All those decisions you made, you are way over budget.
Oh no. My groom gut is a fancy bitch.
She does know something way better. Come with me.
Jake. People normally move after they say that.
Oh, yeah, I fell asleep for a second. Sorry. Come with me.
Charles and I really got into it on the plane, and around Sunday number 5, I realized we should move in together.
You and Charles?
No, you and me.
Oh! Yes, that makes so much more sense.
A rat. And as a former cop, there's no way they're gonna trust you.
I guarantee you they do. Me and those guys went through some pretty intense stuff.
Sing us the song, you're the piano man!
In the Mafia, once you Joel together, you're bonded for life.
Hey, guys. I just discovered a new drug, too. It's called your relationship, and I'm high on it.
Charles, I'm gonna need you to back off, man.
Roger that.
She sabotaged my career because I refused to bed her.
Use your own name anymore.
I got a job at the docks to support my drug habit, but I kept it because I love the seagulls.
What are you, Irish now?
No.
Oh, come on. Another drill?
Hello, my name is Adelaide. I'd like to report a crime.
So we're just doing one of these every day?
Oh, you got it. I know you got it. I want my money.
A lovely Casey hunch. Come on, Jake, sing with me.
That's not gonna happen. I will literally never. What you gonna do with all that hunch? All that hunch inside your brain? We're gonna solve this case right in your face. We should probably leave this prison.
Yep.
What the hell, Boyle? What the hell happened?
I was stressed about hitting you, and my mind disassociated from my body. I don't even know what I did.
Oh, well, let me remind you. You punched me, kicked me, spat on me, and then you said...
There's more where that came from. I got a real wet mouth.
You gotta admit, it's a pretty tough line.
No, it's not.
Here at the Fun Zone, we live by one rule. When it's your birthday, you're always cool. Parents and kids are all the same. Watch as I do a dance to your name. Derek. Derek. Yeah, because you shot me.
I shot you because you were in the wrong position. You weren't following orders.
What about the time you destroyed my personnel file while I was undercover?
What if there'd been a mole?
You were trying to make me disappear.
You embarrassed me in front of Derek Jeter.
You embarrassed yourself in front of Derek Jeter.
All right, amigo. Punch it. Good. Did that. Now punch it. Safety first. Punch it. Okay, see, now I just feel like you're messing with me.
And how am I supposed to get all the way up there?
Gracefully.
Boost my bottom!
I'm boosting!
Boost my bottom!
I'm boosting!
Boost it!
Catchphrase. New York's finest just got a whole lot finer. Give me that.
Focus, Jake. My boy's happiness is at stake. I mean, read the email Genevieve just sent me. Skip the part about her bra.
Impossible. It's in all caps bolded.
Oh! You shot him! Oh!
Are you okay? I'm sorry I shot you. I thought that's what the nod meant.
It was awesome.
We're unbreakable. I'm calling a council of the cousins.
I'm scared. Just kidding. Come on, Sam.
Sam, stay.
Sam, come.
Sam, stay.
Come on, Sam.
Sam, stay.
Come on.
Stay.
Come.
Stay.
What are you doing?
Ah, Jacques rolls his own cigarettes, a habit he picked up from a prostitute in Marseille. But that is not all he picked up.
Why do all your characters get STDs?
Because they're living life.
There are 9 fugitives, and none of them are named Kimball.
I didn't kill my wife.
What?
No, you're supposed to go, I don't care.
I don't care.
Let the manhunt begin.
That's dippity-doo.
Simple.
Crown Heights, that's where we're going.
Hey, Charles, that was a yellow light.
I proceeded with caution.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I could be a teacher. Sorry, Travis. The answer is obviously Istanbul. What did you say to me?
No, maybe you're wasting your life.
Sorry, Principal Reynolds. I didn't see you there.
Wait, Travis is your son?
Well, I guess you're just gonna have to fire me. Fired? Me? How dare you, sir? We will settle. See, it just wouldn't work.
You know, I had a friend that had to retire from the force. He became a private investigator.
Ooh, PI, huh? I like that. Hello, Mr. Branville. I found out where your wife's been going tonight. Have a seat. You're not gonna like this. She's cheating on you. What do you mean you knew that already?
You killed her and are framing me for the murder? I just left my prints all over the crime scene.
Oh, you are an evil. Gee, this I could get on board for.
I love you.
I love you too. Hey, do you happen to know my blood type?
Yeah, be positive.
Well, guessed wrong. Hey, Craig.
Go to sleep, Daddy's dead, but his ghost always watching.
I think I just figured something out. I gotta go.
Aren't you forgetting something? No! Pay your bill! Damn, who raised you?
Oh my God, everyone, Jake and Amy are going to kiss for the first time in 6 months. Let those Nicholas sparks fly.
So, everyone's just gonna watch us?
Yes. Now get to it, you lovebirds. Here we go.
Come on, man.
How did you get there so fast?
Love finds a way.
Yes, of course. That would be amazing. Thank you. I'm gonna be such a good godfather. You'll see. I'm gonna be like, what's the matter with you? Be a man! You know, obviously I wouldn't scream that at the baby. That was a bad quote to choose, but you get what I'm saying.
City Dudes Club.
Yeah, that's gonna change. But check it out, Sarge. Boyle and I are staying at the Ravenna.
Damn, this place is luxe.
Yeah, I've been trying to get Jake down there forever. And I known all it takes was a few broken bones. I would have hit him with a baseball bat years ago.
Buckle up. It's gonna be a hell of a ride. Care to sit? I'm sure you'd like to take some weight off your cloven hooves.
Calling me the devil? How original, Raymond.
Actually, I was calling you a goat. You goat. You know, Terry loves love. I'm in.
All right. Now put on your phoniest smile, because we're going into the belly of the beast. Phonier. Phonier. Ah, there it is. Into the beast.
Love these binoculars so much, I don't want to put them down, you know?
Oh, man. This case is over. I'm gonna miss these binoculars.
You too.
It's almost 8:30. We're gonna get into position.
Okay, thanks, Marv.
Are you guys crying?
I said thanks, Marv! Let's move on!
So a lot of change around here, huh?
Friends. Even Tommy. Terry loved Tommy. Tommy turned Terry on to tennis.
So how was the restaurant?
Such a normal time!
Why are you being weird?
Amy and I kissed.
What?
To keep our cover from being blown, we didn't have a choice.
Tell me everything! Uh-huh. You just go up to him and say, Commissioner Grayson, how's your wife?
Commissioner Grayson, how's your wife?
No, that just sounds like you really want to know how she is. Insinuate. Maybe add a pause before wife.
Commissioner Grayson, how's your wife?
Too long.
Felt it. Ugh, this is not my strong suit.
No, sir. You're doing great. Just forget the pause. Use your eyebrows, like this. How's your pump wife?
How's your pump wife?
It was a little bit better in my head. Try this. How's your pump wife? Pump, pump.
And on a double pump? That's risky. You'll see right through me. How about pump, pump? How's your pump?
You forgot to say wife.
Ah, good note.
How about this? How's your pump wife? Pump. Grayson. Pump.
That's the one.
We'll just have to get Veronica to tell us what it was. It's time for a little girl talk.
You really think you can handle girl talk?
Relax. I got this. Hey, Veronica. It's time for some girl talk. Let me see that bra.
And Amy can babysit your kids. Unless you're too busy making babies over there. I don't want to check it out.
Now get out of us.